Youth wing has won the toss and elected to field. And Thane team is in the batting.
May I request the entire team of Bhiwandi to Badlapur region to assemble near the stage. Requesting
Good bowling.
Nidhi, Akshaya, Shruti, Swati to please come backstage. Nidhi, Akshaya, Swati to please assemble backstage. The team of Bhiwandi to Badlapur region, the cricket team, they scored the highest score of this tournament, 87 runs. Can we have a huge applause?
Good catch.
This is turning out to be a spectacular display of cricketing moments here at the Bunch Premier League. I'd like to also
It was
thank
a sure six, but the fielder has got a very good catch.
our committee member and also a dedicated photographer, Ritesh Shetty.
So no ball.
So we have a tradition where we do not let down any of the teams who have participated. I request the city region team to assemble near the stage. A small token of gratitude to all the participating teams who could not make it to the quarterfinals or the finals.
Oh, catch has been dropped by the wicketkeeper.
I request Satish Anna and Subodh Anna to do the honors for team Bhiwandi to Badlapur region. So, Sumit to escort them to the checkered area. Subodh Anna and Satish Anna.
Just a single.
They said that even the toss made it lucky for them. You know, your presence made it really important. So they have a smile that they're receiving this small token of appreciation from you. Can I request Team City Region also to assemble near the stage? Team City
So
Region.
no ball. One more extras.
Do we have City Region team? City Region. Can you call the captain and the entire team, please, near the stage? Yeah, Sagar. Huh. So a small token of appreciation starting from the chairman of the youth wing, Sumit,
Good fielding.
part of the team, the captain, Rohan, a very good player. Played an incredible knock today. Sushant.
Seven runs after the end of first over.
Kailash.
So wide. It's out. Run out. both batsmen, Vinit and Vinitar. With the same name, good fielding, just a single. 12 runs.
May I request Abhishek Shetty, Andheri to Bandra Region Youth Wing Chairman, to please walk up near the stage. He's been blessed with a
So 6.
baby boy recently during lockdown. He's a happy father, a fit father, I would rather say. He's not treated
18
us yet.
runs.
So he's promised that this evening, RK sir, he's got a small treat for all of us. Post-event party. All right. He's always ready for a party though. I request you to please escort RK and the other gentlemen for the next honors. So we're just doing a small token of appreciation for all the teams who could not make it to the quarters. Sir, please, Red Janla Bale. So, team City Region had one player who played incredibly well. That was
21.
sorry, Shishir. So we request, as the team said, Shishir should take the first appreciation from Mr. R.K. Shetty,
Wide.
MD SR Group, also chairperson
runs.
of Andheri to Bandra region. Shishir. One of the biggest supporters of Youth Wing over the years. With him, we are sure that you never let us down. So, Shishir is the best performer from City Region's team.
It's a no.
And I would request Sagar to guide all the team members towards the ceremony. Sagar has played a good knock. He fielded really well, jumping around. Unfortunately, we don't have the
So no
City
ball.
Region chairman.
One more run.
But looking at the
26
leadership
runs.
skills, we're looking at Sagar taking the lead from here on. The gentleman kept us entertained. A huge round of applause for him as well.
Good try. Good attempt from the fielder.
Keep participating. You never know. Left-handed batsman, acknowledged as
One more no.
future Saurav
The six.
Ganguly, played really well. Unfortunately, we would not know everyone's name, but
35 runs.
great job, guys. Dheeraj Shetty.
Wow, good catch, but missed it.
Prajesh Shetty. We never see so
36
many people
runs.
from City Region. Youth, in fact. We want to see you guys in future events as well. Please come and participate. And there are a lot of events that happens with Youth Wing.
37 runs.
तुम लोग आ जाओ तो जो आते हैं उनको बोला तो फायदा जो नहीं आते उनको बोलेंगे हम लोग हम बेशरम है
6. 43
So,
runs.
good show guys, a huge round of applause for team City Region.
Good batting from both the Vinits. It's an easy catch. Wow. Great. 43 runs. Six. 49 runs, 50 to win. Good batting display. It's 50 to win for the youth wing. Thane region is a name by itself. And it will be a little bit difficult for the youth wing. It is a request from the batting team to please come, one of your players, please come and sit beside the scorer. Youth wing. Shishir is on the strike. Ball him! What a beauty! Good bowling. Savin is the new batsman in. Ball him! He's on a hat trick. He's on a hat trick. He's on a hat trick. This will be the first hat trick for today. No, just a single. Good bowling from the bowler. Just a single. That's a no ball. Wow, what a good catch. Missed from one player, caught by the second player. Dhananjay bowling. It's a good shot. 6 runs. Just miss it. It's gone. Good fielding. That's a wide. Six. That's a one more wide. 35 required from 9 balls. 32 required from 9 balls. One more wide. No, 19 one. So good 6. Inside out. It was an helicopter shot. The crowds are cheering. It's 25. It's out.
रुक गया रे घर पे लेके जा उसको
Good catch. New batsman Adesh is in. He's out. He's on a hat trick, but it was the last ball. Ashok, new batsman Ashok. One run. Ritesh is the new bowler. No run. Ball him. Two runs required. 24 runs required from two balls. The last ball. Out. So wins by 24 runs. 23 runs. Thane region. Thane Bunds has won by 23 runs.